Tired of the back and forth emails just to schedule a simple meeting? Let's ditch that frustration and embed Calendly right into your Wix website for effortless appointment booking. First, head over to your Wix website editor. Make sure you are logged in. Click the plus button on the left-hand side to add a new element to your page. Scroll down the Add Elements panel until you see Embed Code. Click on Embed a Widget. This adds a placeholder box to your page where your Calendly calendar will live. Now, log into your Calendly account. Find the event type you want to embed, then click on the Share button located on the right-hand side. In the Share pop-up, select the Embed tab. This will reveal the embed code that you need to copy. Click the Copy Code button. Go back to your Wix editor. Click on the Enter Code button in the Embed a Widget section. Paste the Calendly code that you just copied into the text box and click Apply. Adjust the size and position of the embedded Calendly widget to fit seamlessly within your page's layout. Preview your website to make sure the scheduling tool is working correctly and you're done. Now your website visitors can easily book appointments with you directly from your Wix site. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.